So how do you unlock the private browsing in a Safari on iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So of course, in the Safari, you're going to go to the all tabs and switch to the Safari private browsing. That's possible, of course, but we want to make sure that this is only accessible with the Face ID. For that, you need to open up your settings, click at the bottom apps section for every single apps menu, and of course scroll through them to find the Safari right there. So you go to Safari as usual and another set of toggles and buttons, but I want you to find the privacy and security section, and there is the require Face ID to unlock private browsing, and this is specifically what we wanted. Right, so make sure that the toggle there is green, that it is turned on, and that way every time you want to go to the Safari private browsing, you will have to scan your face or type in the passcode, and you'll be able to get inside and start using that feature. When you leave it and when you want to return it again, then you have to do the same thing again. So that's how it works. That's how you can, require Face ID. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up, but there is also like another way to do this, because you can technically hold down on the entire Safari icon and click on require Face ID, not just for the private browsing, but generally for any browsing within a Safari. So you might as well do that if you prefer it this way. So let me know again in the comments if you managed to set it up. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you later. So subscribe and I'll talk to you then.